Hello, this is Sohel Rana. Again, we are doing some job in ECU. So today we have WAPCO EPB electronic power brake module. This is a ECU. So this basically third generation ECU. So there is a first generation, second generation and third generation. It is third generation ECU. It is have made by WAPCO. Basically it is this type of product is working commercial vehicle, any kind of commercial vehicle that is using for Mercedes Benz and others, MAN and DAF, around the world. Any commercial vehicle for European that is using for this type of ECU. So different manufacturer, different parameters and different protocol, but it's the ECU board basically same, but inside the program the CAN protocol is different. So today we are looking for in microscope. So there is my microscope. So this microscope basically I can identify there is short circuit, or we are working with this type of microscope is definitely is very high definition microscope. So this microscope have so today I view inside the board what type of section using in order to work with any ECUs, or what do you call in electrical circuit board. So you have to find out first of layout of the pin number. So you must know the pin number, and you should have the Werner diagram, not Werner diagram, workshop information system for each component. So if I work in Mercedes Benz, I must have the Mercedes Benz wiring diagram and the ECU information. If not, we could definitely work in step by step. So you have problem issue, you just remove it, and after remove it you confusion where is coming communication interface, where coming in what do you call power supply, output, input, sensor. So must you have this type of diagram. So if you have, then you work with the ECU. It is very successfully you can working. But if you don't have, so you just have board, you can find it where is the location of your problem. So example, have sensor short circuit, or the solenoid valve of the any activator is not working properly. So you have to find out which pin layer out, so you can work with this. So right now I basic idea for this issue, I can give you the basic idea. And there is what you calling here you can see this board. So if you find it like this component here, okay, so this is basically DC-DC converter and circuit protection. So this area basically working in for the power section. This area is a power section. So after power section, little bit move, and you find it here there is a CAN communication function. Okay, this is the CAN communication function. This board have 1, 2, 3, 4 CAN communication function. So these two for, okay, these two for the axle modulator CAN communication. So other there is a CAN communication function here. Okay, so this one for the vehicle CAN communication function. The another one is a trailer CAN communication function. Some European trailer has a trailer ABS system, so it will contract with the trailer CAN communication function. So another word here has a microcontroller. So here you can see, I can zoom a little bit, but okay. So there is. So this microcontroller here, this is a CAN chip. This is the CAN communication chip. So it will protect your microcontroller, take signal from the CAN network to send it to the microcontroller. So any CAN network has a microcontroller and has a CAN prototype IC. This type of IC is controlling the CAN signal. So also this one also CAN IC, but it is very small. So there is a 1, 2, 3. So basically this another this is not CAN communication, but this one is a ECU to valves CAN communication. That's why this is the WAPCO chip. Basically this type of chip have many WAPCO component coming this type of chip. So in other word here, because I don't have this phone handle or phone stand, so I hold my hand. Sorry for the interrupted. So this processor is microcontroller from Bosch. So this is basically using many ECUs for the automobile sector. There is another you can call this microcontroller, but it's a little bit like a processor. So this is the processing unit to hold data processing from the parameters. There is also memory inside, so around 1 MB memory, so it will save your data inside parameters, settings, whatever there is a creation in the ECU. So the second microcontroller is here, but I don't know the name of the company. So basically Infineon using the whole automobile sector using for Infineon and Siemens and Bosch, the ICs and diode and capacitor is using for like this company, because there is a high quality product, high quality part. So there is also Philips. Where is this? Here. So there is a Philips IC. So if you working in electrical board, so you must have a data sheet for the IC. So first of all, you have to be workshop information system, then you know what is a pin number, where is going. Then second option, you have to be the data sheet for each IC, each diode, each component. So if you have data sheet, you understand what is the input, what is the output, so you can work quite bit of success. And then there is a many type of component have dependent in the using of this type of ECU. So there is a 2-layer ECU. One side here you can see the another side of ECU. There is no have any ICs, but have too much resistance, capacitors, and almost capacitors here. And the resistance of this, there is a 2 type of resistance, one SMD and one non-SMD. I make focus for this. So this is the non-SMD second generation resistance. So this is the capacitor, ceramics capacitor. Basically this type of capacitor of the size of capacitor, it will bring you value. So you must check with a caliper digital vernier. So you size of this one you measuring, then you put in the datasheet search box, so they will show you how much value of this type of capacitor. So there is a this capacitor don't have negative positive section, you can put around the each side, no problem. But if you have a non-ceramic capacitor, you must follow the negative or positive section. So there is a SMD resistance here. Okay, so this type of value you can get in Google App Store, the SMD resistance value. So the app you can add the number 1020 like this, they will give you value, what is the exactly value of the resistance. So thank you for watching. This is a basic idea for the repairing automobile or any electrical board. So this is only I working for the commercial vehicle, so I must tell you the all cars and even industrial engine ECU. But if you have knowledge, you can work much of them for the ECUs. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.